What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. 2 days ago, I made a video on Cardano. It might have been yesterday. I don't really remember. All the days tend to blend together. But I made a video on Cardano and talking about how it will be worth a lot more than people think. And I do honestly think that it'll be worth a lot. And people have questioned, what is that number? Do you see it getting to a higher level than it got to previously, getting higher than a $100 billion market cap? And honestly, yes, right? It got up to like a $90 billion market cap. So I see it at a lot more than where it can get to or where it was previously market cap wise. I think Cardano is a fantastic play, and so many other people think the same thing. Now, let's talk about Cardano in this video and why I believe it will be worth over a $250 billion market cap. And maybe a lot of other people think the same thing as well. I've seen some predictions where people are assuming that just based on the chart and the movement there. But guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Rumble, that link is also in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys want to start trading with Margex, feel free to trade with Margex. You can trade on up to 100x leverage on things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, a lot of other things. As you can see, I'm $17 up on Ethereum right now. So definitely go ahead and start trading with Margex if you're interested in trading with up to 100x leverage. It doesn't mean that you can trade 100x leverage on everything, but it's up to that. So definitely check out that link. They are partners with the channel. So let's talk about Cardano, right? I invested in Cardano a while ago. And when I invested in Cardano, I originally invested at like a level of, I think it was like $1 or something. And then I continued to average down as I saw lower and lower prices. Seeing that, or actually I invested multiple times. I invested at like $1, $2. I saw that rise. I ended up making some money off of it. But then ultimately, as I held on to the value or how much I had in there, it started to decrease. And, I ended up getting to a point where it was worth like, what, $3,000, $2,000 or something like that. But now it's worth about $6,000. I'm over my cost basis and well over my cost basis. And I'm up like $2,000+. But that's not the point in how much, where I'm at and everything there. It's just maybe it does help you out with understanding where you fit and where you stand. But we saw this get down to, a level of what, like 27 cents or 30 cents. It was definitely at a really, really low point. As I saw that, I was like, I have to add some in there. So I added some to get up to 10,000, coins total. I know people that have a lot more than I do, but I wanted to get 10,000 coins so I can see that flourish and, gain me something consistent, as I do see that grow and potentially could grow a lot more. So Cardano is definitely a part of my portfolio since really the beginning. Since I started investing into crypto about 3 or 4 years ago. It might be 4 years ago at this point. Yeah, 3 years ago actually. So when I started investing into crypto heavily, that was like 3 years ago, which honestly it seems like time is just absolutely flying by, and I'm gaining experience every single day that I'm trading more and more cryptocurrency. But Cardano is definitely a part of my playbook, was part of my portfolio because I feel like it has so much potential. And, seeing the stakeability of it, it was my first position that I was able to gain like an APY with. And I wanted to gain an APY with them through Coinbase, and it took them forever to add Cardano in Coinbase to be able to stake it within there. And now I don't have it staked just in case I wanted to make some moves, but I did have it staked and I was gaining a decent amount from it. But let's look at Cardano and where it stands. I believe that it will be worth more than a lot of things that are in the crypto market right now. But I think it will definitely find a way to pass BNB, and I think it will be in the top 5 if I had to make some sort of assumptions or predictions. Now, the market is kind of down today. We're seeing it at a 0.84% decrease on the day. We're seeing Bitcoin that's slightly down, Ethereum that is slightly down. We're seeing Tether that is we're seeing BNB that's slightly down as well. Seeing that at 1.6 cents or 1.6% down. We're also seeing XRP that's down about 4%. Solana is down 6%. We see that has dropped. And then obviously you look at ADA, which is 8th on the list, including the stable coins, is down about 5.9%. It's still at about 60 cents. It's still up to about $5,900 for me, which is still well over my cost basis. And I'm not selling any like right here. I'm not doing that. But if we go into Cardano and look at the price, and look at the amount of volume and all that stuff. So it's currently sitting at a $20 billion market cap. And it's also with $1.6 billion worth of volume. Now, that's down 39% in the volume. The overall price down about 6%. So things are definitely falling a little bit, right? It's Sunday, right? You technically short on Sunday because of exactly what goes on, which is Sunday tends to create negativity after you see Friday and Saturday that have created positivity. Sunday creates that negativity. But yeah, Cardano at a level of a $1 price will be a $35 billion market cap, right? At a level of about $3, it'll be close to a $100 billion market cap, a little bit over that, but let's just say for round purposes, it'll be a $100 billion market cap. At a level of $6, that would be a $200 billion market cap. If you don't know what the high point was for Cardano, yes, it was at a higher price, but it also had less supply. It was about a $90 billion market cap. Now, in most cases, when you talk about things that are pushing to other levels that, go in, that have a bull market, that have a push in a bull market, you're going to see that it can get to a level of 2x or 3x over what the previous highs were. And seeing that 2x or 3x over the previous highs means that, you're seeing higher prices. Technically, right? You're seeing it over the certain amount of market cap. So if you see a $90 billion market cap, you would 3x that, and you would say you can get to a 27 or $270 billion market cap. So well over the $250 billion mark, I believe that it should be worth that much. Now, I also see this at a level where it can increase a little bit more, not just a 3x over that, but maybe that's a starting point or a starting place to this high of the market cap. So that would be a $6 price for Cardano when it was originally at a level of, around $4, right? $3 to $4. $5 is going to be a significant pullback because it is just a significant number, right? $5 for it to get to is significant for some people. But it will find a way to get to $6. And throughout that process, I will have times where I take profit and I'll have a lot that's sitting left in there. So Cardano shows me so much upside as I look into the position and exactly where things are going for it, price-wise, market cap-wise, use-wise, everything there. But I want your guys' opinion. I mean, I'm a big fan of Cardano, one, because of the amount of hold time, the stakeability to it, just so many different things that come with it. I'm a big fan of it. And if I look over on Coinbase, you're going to see that, it's 239 days of typical hold time. And again, my performance on Cardano, I'm up 2,000. It says 2,500. I don't think that's right. Let me go ahead and refresh this. It should be around 2,000 ish. I didn't think it was 2,500. I guess it is 2,600. I guess my cost basis, my average price is 44 cents. So I'm up 2,600. That doesn't seem like that adds up. Either way, my original, I guess this cost basis is that, but it doesn't seem like it adds up to me. And maybe I'm just not doing math correctly, but it doesn't seem like it adds up because it's currently at 59 cents. So, but either way, I'm up $2,600, and maybe it's because I profited beforehand. That's probably the case before I made this investment. But now I'm on an average of 44 cents currently. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think about Cardano and where you believe it's going to go. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my links that are down below. If you want to use my link for Margex, feel free to use that link. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.